Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So believe it or not, despite all of the cleaning videos I've done over the years, I have never done a dedicated kitchen cleaning routine. I don't know how that's happened. It must have slipped through the cracks, but that's what we're doing today. This is a more thorough clean of the kitchen. It includes everything except for the inside of the oven and the inside of the cabinet and drawers. That's something I do less frequently, and it's a whole other day-long project to do all of that. I'm also going to be showing you my new favorite recipe for a natural all-purpose cleaner that I have been loving. If you are new here to my channel and you enjoy cleaning, organization, and healthy lifestyle videos, definitely subscribe because that's what I do here on my channel. So with all of that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. For our DIY all-purpose kitchen cleaner, I am following a recipe I found in a book called Easy Green Cleaning that was sent to me by a subscriber, actually. So I will link the book down below. It's fantastic. What you need for it is half a cup of vodka or rubbing alcohol, 1 1/4 cup of water, 6 drops of rosemary essential oil, 6 drops of lavender essential oil. Shake that all together and you have your all-purpose cleaner that works on all surfaces in the kitchen, also on windows, mirrors, stainless steel. All right, so let's dive into the cleaning. Step number 1 is to clear the countertops. You want to remove any clutter, items that belong in a different room. I like to put in a separate bin. I call this the clutter bin, and then I move it to whatever room it needs to go to. Second step is to fill the sink with hot soapy water. In here you want to drop any items that need soaking. So the microwave turnstile, your stove grates if those need soaking, any dishes, things like that you can put in here, and we'll get to those later. Next, I tackle the refrigerator. So I remove everything from the fridge, any items that have gone bad, I toss, and the reusable containers I put in the sink to soak. Once everything is cleared out, working from top to bottom, I just do a very quick wipe down of the interior. As I'm cleaning, I keep a laundry basket nearby, so as I'm using rags, I just throw them in the laundry basket, and then when I'm finished, I pop that all in the wash. Next, I go around the room and dust from top to bottom. So I get the corners, if there's any cobwebs, the light fixtures, the upper cabinets, and then I work my way down. And don't forget to dust off the top of the refrigerator. That's an area that sometimes we forget, but it does accumulate a lot of dust. Next, I tackle the cabinets and the appliances. So for the cabinets, I focus on the handles, and then if there's any smudges or stains on the white cabinets, I will wipe those off. I will spray down the interior of the microwave and let that soak. Now, for cleaning stainless steel appliances, this can be tricky, so I'll share a couple tricks. I will start off by wiping it down with my all-purpose cleaner. Then I go back with a few drops of olive oil on a microfiber cloth, and I rub that olive oil in the stainless steel. That will remove any streaks, any fingerprints, and then just go back with a clean microfiber cloth with nothing on it and wipe it down again. And that will polish and shine your stainless steel. It looks gorgeous. After the microwave has been soaking for a couple minutes, I'll go back, wipe the interior of the microwave and also the stovetop. And the next step is to tackle all the dishes, hand wash what needs to be hand washed, and then load the rest in the dishwasher and run it. So next I will move on to cleaning off all of the countertops, and you just want to make sure you are using a cleaner that is appropriate for your surface. The DIY cleaner that I showed you is vinegar free, and it does work on quartz countertops, which is what we have. It also works on granite. We are so close to being done. The next thing I do is I will vacuum the floors with my cordless vacuum, which I love just because it's so convenient, and I'm dealing with 2 boys who leave crumbs everywhere between Ryan and his popcorn and Carter and his snacks. It's just always a mess. Then I will do a quick pass through with my Swiffer wet jet to mop the floors and get them extra clean. And the last thing I always do is clean out the sink. I will sprinkle in some baking soda as a great natural abrasive, then use a gentle scrubber brush to scrub that down, rinse it out, and wipe it down with a cloth. And just as a reminder, here is the before of how the kitchen looked, and here is the after. All right, so that is my full kitchen cleaning routine. I really hope you enjoyed it and got some different tips and tricks from it. If you did, please do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel. I also want your opinion on something. So as you may know, we recently remodeled our kitchen and we have the all white thing going on, and I've been feeling like it's too much white. So my idea is to paint the kitchen island a light gray color just to add some contrast to the room. I think it would look really cool, but Ryan thinks it would look better just keeping it white. So I would love to hear from you guys. What do you think? Gray, white, another color? Leave your comments down below. With all that said, I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye.